In this video, we will discuss 6 of the best road bikes on the market. As a pro biker, always you want the best road bike on you. That's what gives you the nous to keep honing your biking prowess. There are plenty of options as pertains to the different brands of road bikes on the market. This may be good news but also a puzzle. A puzzle because many of these bikes may never be cut for your taste. However, it's important to know your needs when shopping for a bike. There are bigger questions you should not miss to interrogate, such as, do you want it for exercise or racing, or commutes? Even further, would you want it responsive and what's your perfect geometry? Do you have a taste for heavier models, depending on your body size? And many more questions. Actually, I wouldn't absolutely point out a specific model as the best among the huge road bike pack out there on the streets. Rather, I will review what I think are some of the best road bike options you can consider buying on your next shopping trip. As always, all the links to the recommended road bikes have been included in the description below. If you are new here, consider subscribing to this channel to continue receiving great videos like this. Let us get started. Number 1. Cannondale CAA D13 Disc 105. Are you looking for a bike that is crafted for sheer agility, speed, and easier handling on the go? Well, very few can compete at this top level. One of those features the Cannondale CAA D13 Disc 105 road bike. The bike comes as a real machine to help you hit the open road running right from the start. With an ultra-light Smartform C1 premium alloy frame, with full carbon fork, handling and control of this bike is going to be a cinch. It uses the Shimano 105 Hydro Disc group with an included Cannondale 1 crankset. In addition, the group set offers the FSA 5236 chainrings and very efficient disc brakes. Moreover, the bike rides on the Cannondale RD 2.0 rim. The tires fitted on it are 28-inch thick Vittoria Zafiro Pro Slick type that grip the ground well and keep you rolling better and faster. Also, you won't be disappointed in the Shimano 105 hydraulic disc brakes. They are just the best of the industry and will give the much needed stopping power. Its pros include, it is very lightweight, it has an efficient drivetrain, it has a great braking system. Its cons are, it is an expensive buy and it needs lots of upgrades. Overall, if you want a smooth riding road bike with great stability, this one is perhaps a reliable choice. Number 2. Vilano Shadow 3.0 road bike. If you are searching for the best road bikes under $1,000, then the Vilano Shadow 3.0 has got to be somewhere on your list. Boasting a double-butted aluminum frame, the Vilano Shadow is not only lightweight but also strong and durable to last you through seasons. Vilano Shadow 3.0 takes an upright incline. This geometry is what you need on a bike for an assured, comfortable ride. Moreover, this bike is a speed demon thanks to the efficient Shimano STI integrated shifters. The shifters run from 1 to 14 so that you can increase the speed of the bike as you like. You have 700C double-walled CNC alloy wheels. However, be sure to replace them because they wear out pretty fast. When it comes to the braking system, Vilano Shadow 3.0 does offer integrated brake lever that should help operate its caliper brakes. This kind of brakes are not really reliable, but make sure to replace the pads when they wear out. Its pros include, it's well balanced, it features dedicated shifters, and it offers better control. Its cons are a small saddle and poor quality wheels. Overall, the Vilano Shadow 2.0 is a good budget road bicycle with great value, especially if you are just starting out. Number 3. Raleigh bikes Merit 2 Endurance. Here is one of the best entry-level road bikes you can have for your commute as well as racing needs. The bike packs a list of useful features, including the Shimano Claris gear set that comes affordable and efficient. Merit 2 is constructed of an aluminum frame which is set for a relaxed ride thanks to the upright geometry. The aluminum also features on the forks, which explains the bike's lightweight nature. Further to that, the bike boasts a smooth, comfortable ride courtesy of the Shimano Sora drivetrain and the included mechanical disc brakes. Yet, the stability of the wide tires makes this bike a go-to option for many enthusiasts. Moreover, the bike is outfitted with the reliable TRP Spire-C mechanical disc brakes that are capable of generating instant stopping power. Its pros include: it is versatile, it comes with Shimano's gear set system, it offers great disc brakes. Its cons are front shifting delays, and it is not great for long rides. Overall, if you want an endurance bike, then this one is probably going to be a great choice. Number 4. Schwinn Vantage F2 700C Performance Road Bike. Just in case you're planning staying on the road for long periods, you have Schwinn Vantage F2. Vantage F2 is one of the best road bikes with a well thought out balance of comfort and speed. With a Shimano 24-speed drivetrain and shifters, the bike takes your commute very seriously. You have a huge range of efficient gear sets to explore for high speeds on the spin. The frame featured on this bike is constructed from platinum hydroformed aluminum, and the forks are crafted from carbon to give this bicycle a long life and the sturdiness expected when riding it. What's more, Schwinn Vantage F2 offers Alex R500 double-wall rims that take in 700 by 25C tires. This beefs up further the stability and efficiency of the bike. If you won't mind about the caliper-type brakes, that's what you get on the Vantage F2. They are not the industry's leading braking system, but for the price point, you will still appreciate what they can do. The bike is quite heavy, but you won't even notice it that easily when riding it. Its pros include: it's a great performance bike, it's good for outdoor exercise and workouts, it is rugged and strong. Its cons are: it's a bit highly priced and it's heavy duty. Overall, it's a great choice of a road bike for people who need a blend of comfort and speed. Number 5. Raleigh Bicycles Redux 2 City Bike. The Raleigh Bicycles Redux 2 comes in the image of a mountain bike. But make no mistake, this is a road bike built and dedicated for urban rides. Its frame and fork are carved out from the aluminum metal. So the bicycle is a lightweight yet durable machine that is ready to take you from one point of the city to another with little fuss. But again, the frame is double-butted to ensure that the bike remains intact in terms of strength. Moreover, Redux 2 comes equipped with a Shimano 9-speed drivetrain and trigger shifter. What this means is that your gear combinations is going to be easy, fast and efficient. These quick, effortless shifts help you to climb hills and go faster. Even on high speed, you wouldn't worry of any unexpected bad luck thanks to the Tektro HD T285 hydraulic disc brakes. With disc brakes, you have immense stopping power. Moreover, enjoy the traction provided by the 650B or 27.5-inch thick wheels. Combined with the V-Tire Co. Xylem tires, the bike produces just low resistance but more rolling power. Its pros include: it comes with high-quality components, it's easy to assemble the bike, and it has free rolling tires. Its cons are: it requires a few tweaks, it's a bit heavy. Overall, this is a solid best road bike for money. Number 6. Tommaso Imola Endurance Aluminum Road Bike. Tommaso Imola Endurance is another important option in our road bike reviews. For beginner riders especially, this bicycle is a blast to get you started well. The bicycle is elegant in design and construction, but will be a perfect addition for short ride adventures in the city, downtown and outskirts. As expected, the bike is built on a strong and yet very lightweight aluminum frame. And you will love to hear that Tommaso Imola provides a lifetime cover on this frame. Up to the operation is the Shimano Claris R2000, which includes the shifters, crank, rim brakes, derailleurs, all which are high-quality components. The bike boasts the Tommaso Corsa rims with Kinder 25mm wider tires. This wheelset is one big reason why the bike is an all-time speedster on the road. The shifters you get on this bike are 24 in total, meaning you have a great range to alternate your speed as you blast the different terrains of the road. Its pros include: it looks elegant, it has decent parts, it comes with great speed. Its cons are poor quality wheels and it has a bad saddle. Overall, a great beginner-friendly bike it is. I know you loved this video about the best road bikes, didn't you? Here are other great videos to enjoy. I will see you in the next one.